don't know, Joe won't be available. He won't be there tomorrow. Not fit. Problem with his hamstring. So let's say it's a shame for us. Good for Georgia. It's a shame as well with no Aaron, of course. But no, we're there. The game's in front of us. We've got other players to step in and do the job for us, which they will do. From our perspective, it's getting the job done. It's concentrating on performing for Wales and with the attitude of putting out, and by hook or by crook, we always stick to our identity. And our identity is maxing out on the pitch. We didn't play great out in Austria, but I tell you what, we didn't have to stick to the game plan in terms of digging in and making sure we don't make it easy for the opposition. If it's not going to be our night, it's not going to be their night. There's a certain mentality about this team, and we have to keep that, and keep working on it and keep trying to better it. It's not the winning when you're winning and everything's fantastic. That's not what hardens you. It's losing, and playing badly and being heavily criticised. That's what hardens you. To get the road to success. Any success I've had, it's never felt like it's happened overnight. And the journey's never felt like me sitting in the back of a limousine sipping champagne. It's always been, it always felt like I'm on a push bike, pedalling uphill, and sometimes the chains come off. It's that hard. It is that hard. It's so difficult. And that's why a lot of people don't get to where they need to get to, because along the way is really hard, really difficult. Some of our boys, our players and my staff, we work hard when we're together. We know what's at stake, and we all feel a little bit of the pressure, but we all know what we're capable of, and we're prepared to do whatever it takes. But we're not guaranteed anything. We're not guaranteed success. Nobody is. We're not guaranteed anything in this campaign. We've had a good start, long way to go. A lot of big challenges, and tomorrow will be as tough as anything we're going to face for different reasons in the next 8 games. We understand that, but we're all ready for it.